Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change iMessage to text message or normal message. So I'm going to my iPhone settings app and scrolling down and tapping on messages. And here, as you can see, currently my iMessage is turned on. So when the iMessage turn on, we can easily send a message without SIM card using internet connection. So as you can see, here's I send it a iMessage. And now if you want to send only text message or normal message, here's all you have to need, go to your iPhone settings and go to message settings, and you have to just disable iMessage option from here. And that's it. Now on, whenever you send any text message to an iPhone user, the message will be sent as normal message, not in iMessage format. So this is how we can change iMessage to normal message. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.